Hello everybody, and here I have three bus model from the brand Britbus. Okay, the box, this one is bigger, so we'll have a look at that later. First, it says Scania Metropolitan double-deck bus guide Friday tours Stratford upon Avon. The bus is here. Slide it out, and we open. How do we open? No hinge, just slide everything out. First, we have a card. This is to certify that this is a limited edition. Only 600 produced. This is number 519, as it says here. So it's very detailed. This is the bottom. Exhaust even painted. The engine is here. Twin rear wheels. That is accurate. The Shakespeare connection. Stratford to London in just 2 hours, 4 times daily by coach and rail. We even have the side mirrors. The logos are not straight. I don't know whether it's correct or it's an error. Wipers are separate piece. Very detailed. If you can see the interior, all very detailed, very nice. Now this costs just around 70 ringgit, which is 16 euro. And this rear engine compartment can be opened to reveal the bus engine. Every night at 7:45, it says here, Cotswold Pub Tour. So this is one bus. Let's see the rate. Also Britbus. Okay, manufactured for Britbus by Asian Bus. Kwang Tung, Kowloon, Hong Kong. Okay, another certificate. Number 712 of 1008 piece. Ooh, I didn't notice it has steering. See? The wheels can be steered. A lot of words here. It's very small. I can't read it. Freeze the image and zoom if you want to read it. The hop on and off bus, culture bus, in and out of town tours. The rest is too small for me to read. The difference, this has only one front door. while this have two doors. See? The wheels on this, yeah, can turn as well. So yeah, this can open. Scania. Let's see the third bus. Move this away. The third bus comes in a box, which is very nice. Go whip it. Again, we have the certificate number 952 of 1008. This one also have just the front door, but it have a rear window compared to the yellow one, and the window is different. You see this smaller window, thicker pillar compared to this, so it's a different casting. Wheels can be turned, so it's quite value for money. What's this? Oh, a greyhound. The greyhound dog running. I'm very pleased with this, very detailed. Quite like the yellow one and the green one. And the blue one, because it comes with this nice box. Everyone is nice. So thank you for watching. Should I buy more? Or 3 is enough? I don't know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.